Pinaka-importante, follow-up question, si Kim Chu sa'yo.
Siyempre, importante. Special, kumbaga.
Yes.
Wow, special!
Please don't let this feeling end. It's everything I am, everything I wanna be. I can see what's mine now, finding out what's true. Since I found you, looking through the eyes of
Dito lang ako.
take the time. I can see my life as it comes up, shining out, reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much since I found you. Looking through the eyes of love.
Kaya naman kami na magkasama kami.
I do believe that even in the storm,
I'm happy na she's there. And, di ba? Thank you. Thank you, Kim.
when you're beside me, I'm alright.
Naman siguro. Siguro naman siya na yung pinakamalapit na lalaki sa puso ko.
Thank you na I have someone to talk to. Finally, meron nang nakakaintindi sa akin. Finally, masaya na yung something to look forward to each day.
Thank you for making me laugh all the time. Thank you for listening to all my problems.
Kaya naman kami, so ini-enjoy lang namin yung isa't isa.
So, siyempre, di ba, masaya kasi siya rin naman yung palagi kong kasama, di ba? Siya rin yung kilala na ng mami ko.
I do believe that even in the storm we'll find some light. Knowing you're beside me, I'm alright.
Naman kami, pag magkasama kami, yung family ko sinusuyo niya naman. So nakakatuwa lang yung ganong feeling.
I can see my life as it comes up, shining out, reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much.
Wala ako para sa kanya, di ba? If ever meron siyang kailangan, if ever meron siyang problema, nandito ako para problemahin yun kasama siya.